Hi guys, welcome back. We are in Horizon 1, Book 1, and we are on page 83, and this is lesson 38. That's really interesting. I love number games, and if you look, today we're on lesson 38, which is a 3 and an 8, and it's page 83, which is 8 and 3. The numbers go backwards. That's so funny. Okay, so today we're working with fractions, which is 1/2. So it's just like if you were given a sandwich and mom says, give half to your brother, right? Or here's 10 M&Ms, give half to your sister. So we're just talking about half, cutting something right in half. Now when you cut something in half, would it be very fair if I took a cookie and let's pretend that this is my sugar cookie. I have a cookie right here. It's a blue cookie, all right? And Mom gave it to your sister. Let's pretend you have a sister. Mom gave it to your sister and said, give Susie half. I know your name's not Susie. It's just think about it for a minute. You get half, and it gets cut like this. And this is the side you get. Would that be very fair? No. When you cut something in half, you want it to actually be in half so that both sides are equal. Okay, so to cut something in half, you want to go right in half so both sides are equal. Okay, so draw a line to divide each object in half. Now, would it be fair if I cut the cake like that? Is that half? No. So we're going to think about it. Would it be fair to cut the cake this way? No. We want to cut it right down the middle so both sides get the same amount. How about a lollipop? If I cut the lollipop like this, well, it's half, right? Because somebody gets the sucker and somebody gets the stick. Would that be fair? No. So in half means in half. Okay? Even a clock you can say a half. That's why we use half past, right? In half. And an egg, we can't go this way because this side's smaller than this side. This side has a bigger top and this one goes more to a point. So we can't cut it that way. We have to cut it this way. That's also symmetry. Symmetry and half equal are the same. Okay? Now, ice cream cone. Is that fair? That's in half, right? Someone gets the ice cream and someone gets the cone? No. Nobody wants that. We got to go in half this way. Okay? And then the orange in half. Okay? Now, down here, all we're doing is we're adding, and they want you to add just the way it is. So you're going to start at 90. And if you notice what I'm doing, 90, and I'm adding 1, which means in the ones column where there's a 0, it's just going to turn into a 1. So my number is 91. See how this is 50, so there's 0 in the ones column, and it's adding 4. So I'm just going to put a 4 in the ones column. So we're at 54. Now, if that doesn't make sense, you could also just count on. So if you're at 30 and you add 8, you're going to get 38. Okay, this is how many 10s I have, and this is how many 1s I have. If I'm at 70 and I add 5 more, so I can put a 5 there, that's one way I could do it. I could say 7 10s and 5 1s. That's another way I could do it. Or I could go 70 plus 5. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75. All of them are the same answer. It's just a matter of what makes sense in your head. My head just knows this is a 1. This is my ones column, so it needs to go there. So it's 28. So 28, 29. That wouldn't make sense. My numbers are kind of funky tonight, huh? All right. You do this row by yourself and then meet me on the next page, okay? All right. So this is addition, back where we're putting the ones column together and the tens column together. So, right, the 4 goes in the tens. The 3 goes in the ones. And then on this number, it's 31. So the 3 goes in the tens and the 1 goes in the ones. Okay? And then we add straight down. So we add the blue column and then we add the red column. So 3 plus 1 is 4. And then 4 plus 3 is 4. 5, 6, 7. All right? 55. 55. And 33. 33. Add the blue column, 5, 6, 7, 8. And then we just said 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay? Now go ahead and do these two that are colored by yourself, and then meet me back when you're ready for this one right here. Don't do this one without me. Just do these two problems and then meet me back. Push pause and then meet me back. All right, if you're back with me, you did these two, and you're ready for this one. Now this one, they took the colors away, which I know feels really fast, but all it is we're going to kind of divide it up. So we're going to go 86, 86, and then 12, which is a 1 and a 2. See how I still lined my numbers up? And I can add straight down. I don't need my colors there to know how to do that. I can go 6, 7, 8, and then I can go 8, 9. And without even having those colors there, I can keep my numbers in a straight line down. 34, so 34. And then right below them, I need to keep my numbers straight down. 22. You see how I kept my 4 and my 2 on top of each other, and my 3 and my 2? And then I add straight down. 4, 5, 6. And then 3, 4, 5. Now, if you get sloppy, you're going to end up with wrong answers. They have to stay on top of each other, okay? So if that went really fast, you can always rewind. You can ask Mom for help, or you can ask Mom to rewind it, okay? And then come down here and go ahead and do these two problems, and meet me back when you're ready for the story problem, okay? Okay, so if you're ready down here for the story problem, it says Pat walked 2 blocks to the store. She then walked 7 blocks to her grandparents' house. How many blocks did Pat walk altogether? Okay, so how much did she walk at first? There's 2. And then how many did she walk next? 7. And then, so what is that all together? 7, 8, 9. So 9 blocks all together. Okay? All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye.